All this rain is just flowing into the park. All the runoff is coming from the shopping center. Here's Wells Fargo, and there's the SMART train tracks. They took out a bunch of trees to put that in. There's Pete's Coffee. And when you come down here, you see where we've tried to stop some of the water from coming into the park. There it is, just pouring in past of all of our sandbags. I don't know where they should have been, but I know that the park is not meant to be a runoff for the shopping center or the SMART train. But clearly it looks like that's what they have done. And my car is no longer able to be in front of my house today. This is about the 6th day where I can't have my car at home because it's flooding. So I guess we need some help here.